Welcome to our review of the IXL app, a multi-subject learning platform that's become a favorite among students, parents, and educators. IXL covers math, English, science, social studies, and Spanish. With curriculum mapping aligned to various standards, it caters to a diverse set of educational needs. In the math section, IXL's adaptive learning technology personalizes each student's experience that learning is always at the right level for each individual. Parents and teachers will appreciate the detailed feedback IXL provides. The progress tracking tools make it easy to monitor achievements and pinpoint areas that need more focus. One of the highlights of IXL is its integration of engaging learning games. These games make practice enjoyable and are a great way to reinforce skills in a fun, interactive way. IXL also includes audio support for questions, which is a fantastic feature for younger students and those with literacy challenges. This feature helps make content more accessible and easier to understand. For parents, IXL offers a range of resources, including a step-by-step guide and printable materials. Teachers will find IXL's data and feedback features invaluable for formative assessment and reducing administrative tasks. Our teacher reviewer gave IXL 5 stars. Interested in trying IXL? Check the description below for download links and start exploring today. Thanks for watching our review of the IXL app. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more educational content and app reviews. See you next time.